been a long time coming. Y'all finally hit the like goal and that viewer goal. Just look at it, man. Right here, I got y'all what y'all wanted. It's the haircut video for you guys. So make sure that y'all stay tuned. Watch it all the way through. I made a couple mistakes. You gotta learn. But hope you guys enjoy the video. Just gotta give y'all some context since it's been so long. Let's get right into it. Psych! What is up, YouTube? It's your boy and I'm back with another video. Today, as y'all can see, I'm in a different place, not the usual background, and that's because I'm gonna be cutting my hair. Yes, the video y'all been waiting for is finally here today. So make sure y'all like this video, comment, subscribe, and let's go ahead and get right into it. But just to let you guys know, this won't be like a tutorial. I'm just gonna be cutting my hair. I'm gonna be talking over it. So I'll be telling you guys what I'm doing if you guys want to take tips and stuff, but at the same time, I'm not gonna be just doing it like as a straight tutorial. So right here, I was just, combing my hair and stuff, getting that good comb session in. Before we get started, I just want you guys to know that I bounced back a lot from my last videos with the reviews. I've been grinding with these brushes that I just got. So if you guys want to see the reviews on these brushes, they'll be up in the card, and I'm going to be linking all the things that I used in this video in the description. So make sure you go to the description if you want to get any of these things. With that being said, let's finally get into this haircut. So let's go. So I need to stop again. This is actually kind of loose, but the other ones I had are like kind of old or some. These were just the ones I already had in the house, so I just cleaned them up. And this one's like kind of loose and stuff, and like it could go like that and stuff. But I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna just be very careful, make sure I hold this in place so that I don't like nip me or anything. So right here, I'm just making sure that I know what strides I'm gonna take. I'm just pretending to cut my hair. The thing's not on, but I'm just making sure I know what strokes I'm gonna take so I can make sure that I don't mess my hair up. So this is where I actually began to cut my hair, and the first stroke went well, but as you can see in the second stroke, the guard comes off. And that just surprised me and scared me even more than I was already scared. Bro! So it did cut some of the hair. Not really though. And this came off. I don't think it was on all the way. Yeah, it definitely wasn't. You know what? Got another 3 blade. 3 thing. I'm gonna just use this one. That was scary. I'm glad I didn't like keep going and I was taking my time. That's the thing. You gotta make sure that they're on there properly. I almost messed myself up. Let's try this again. Hopefully it works out better. Oh my god. So this is after switching the guard. I forgot to tell you guys. I was using the 3 guard and I just switched the guard on the clippers. It's the same clippers, and I'm just seeing how this works. I didn't want to go too low because I didn't want to mess myself up. Because I was scared and didn't really know what to do, I did change to the 2 guard, but I left the lever open because I didn't want to cut that much and I didn't want to take it down too low. And I started cutting and I started seeing hair fall and stuff like that, so I just knew I was making progress and stuff, and it was actually pretty fun seeing that happen. Alright, so that is cutting, but it's not cutting a lot off. Like, I could tell a little bit like it's cut off and stuff. You can't really see from here, but it's not cutting a lot off. So what I'm gonna do is close it, and that means this is the number 2 official. So actually, because there were multiple things wrong with that thing, and I don't want to mess myself up. I already had that scared just now, so I'm actually going to use this one, and this is the one that doesn't have a lever, but I was already about to pull a lever so it's closer, and this already is like that, so I'm going to just use this how it is. I'm going to go ahead and put this 2 guard on there, and we're going to keep going with the haircut. This entire time I was having problems with the guard and stuff. It wasn't sitting on the clippers right, but here I figured it out, so I'm learning. I figured out the problem. These are meant for this thing. Like, it has the thing right here and everything. I didn't know that they had to be meant for a certain one. After, you know, figuring out the clipper situation and, you know, the mess ups and stuff, I actually began to feel more comfortable and stuff. And as you can see, I'm just gonna be cutting my hair. It's like, right now y'all just see like 2 minutes of me cutting my hair, but I was just going at it like 30 minutes just cutting. You know, after you feel comfortable with yourself, you like, I should be able to do this. I see what I need to do. You'll feel comfortable and you'll be like, okay, maybe I could just go at it. You know, be careful though. Make sure you still take your time. Make sure you look at your angles. That's why I got the mirrors. I didn't want to like bring the camera or nothing and mess up. Make sure my hair is the most important thing. I got y'all watching, so I'm just, you know, going at it. I might look a little retarded and stuff, you know. You got them ugly angles and stuff, but just taking care of my hair, making sure I don't mess it up. Make sure you go with the grain, stuff like that. It's just important. Now, we aren't cutting the crown area. We're trying to go around it and stuff like that. We're gonna get to that last, but we just making sure we get like the sides and the front and the back of my head, and making sure that's all laid down with the grain, and just making sure we give ourselves the best haircut that we can without nicking ourselves or accidentally getting a bald spot, because we definitely don't want that. So it looks like I got everything down evenly. I want to take it down a little bit more to like a 1.5, but I really don't have like the lever and stuff, and I think a 2 is pretty fine with me. Just for now, as my first cut, I don't want to go too low and stuff, and I'm gonna be woofing more, so I might as well just keep cutting it down to a 2 so it stay in that mid woof kind of effect and stuff. So this is one of the best parts about cutting your own hair. You can stop at any time and just brush it. You know, make sure you get that brush session in, make sure everything's leveled out and stuff. Your barber, he doesn't brush it as good as you would, and you know your angles better. You can also look with the mirror and stuff, but this is like one of the best parts, so I just had to get a brush session in before I came back and finished the crown off. But everything else was level, and I'm pretty good with the haircut so far. So now I've turned to the 3 guard with the lever closed, obviously with this clipper that I'm using. Just to get the crown off, you want to always make it higher, but it was kind of hard with this, and you'll see what happens. So this came off again. This time I could see why it came off though. I was pushing too hard and then trying to go. You gotta be kind of careful and stuff. This is my first time, so like I'm putting the pressure, but like the way I did it, it was like that. Just hit myself in the face. So now, because of like the issues I was having, and it wasn't really cutting my crown down any lower, I had switched to the 2 guard, just the same length as the rest of my head. I tried to do it a little lighter, but at the same time, it just had to be what it had to be. I'm not like mad or anything. It was actually pretty cool. The haircut came out cool, and I'm actually proud of myself. Now this is just this part. It's more to come, but this is part 1 as it says in the title, so beware, there's a part 2. I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of this video though. It looks pretty good. The whole haircut in general, as you can see, the waves are there, and before it probably didn't even look like waves were there, but that's what haircuts do for you. That's why it's important to get your haircut. If you want to see any barbershop tips and tricks, I'm gonna leave that up there for you guys, so go ahead and watch that, or just like whatever you need to do after the barbershop. It's all gonna be in the cards. Now I think I'm done with the top part. I think everything is good with that. I like how that ended up. So now I'm gonna be doing a hairline. Psych! Hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. It took me some time to edit this, and it's not even all of it. We still got the hairline to go, as y'all can see. So because y'all dominate every time I get y'all a like goal, I gotta give y'all another one, but it ain't gonna be so severe this time, cause y'all been supporting. So to get the next part of the series, we gonna go with a slight 10 likes and a slight 35 views. Once y'all hit that, we gonna go ahead and get to the part 2, and I got y'all. Just beware, it's more heat dropping, so stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe. I entertain and I teach. That's the reason you should subscribe. And with that, we out.